Good day, everyone. In this lesson, we will be learning all about identifying quadrilaterals. You should be able to answer this essential question after watching this video. How do you sort and classify quadrilaterals? Now, the first step in doing this is to identify first what do we mean by a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides and four angles. So, the next time that you see anything around the house or even when you go out of the house, if it has four sides and four angles, you should know that we can call that shape as a quadrilateral. Now, this set of shapes with four sides and angles can actually further be classified with special names. Now, in order to do that one, let's take a look at this set of figures that I will be showing and let's try to identify how many pairs of parallel sides are there. Based from our discussion, arrowheads signifies that those opposite sides are parallel to one another. If you have forgotten already what do we mean by parallel sides or parallel lines, please watch the videos all about lines. So for this one, we have this pair is the same, this pair is also the same. So we have in this figure two pairs. For the next one, we have one pair. Next figure, another two pairs. And for this figure, two pairs as well. One pair for this one. And you are correct. For this last, we have two pairs. How is it related to naming them with their special property? Now, just by identifying the number of pairs of parallel sides, we can actually give them special names already. And here it goes. For those shapes with exactly one pair of parallel sides, we can call it as trapezoids. So aside from it being a quadrilateral, we can name it under trapezoids. For parallelogram, so going back with the activity earlier, all of those shapes with two pairs of parallel sides, regardless of the measurement of the sides or its angles, we call it as parallelograms. Now, always take note that because it has two pairs of parallel sides, a domino effect would be there would be two pairs of opposite sides that are equal to each other as well. Now, what if you will be given this kind of quadrilateral? How do we call it? If you will try to test each of the sides and check if there are any pair of sides that are parallel and discover that there's none, the most common name and no other special name that we can call this figure is actually just simply a quadrilateral. That's it. Now, in order for you to check what name can you call that shape that you are given if it's four-sided, first check for the number of parallel sides. Pair them up and identify how many pairs can you get from it. If there's none, you can call it as quadrilateral alone. That's it. If there are one pair or if there's one pair of parallel sides, then that would be a trapezoid. If there are two pairs, that's parallelograms. Now, looking back at the activity earlier, some of the shapes under parallelograms might appear familiar to you. This is because parallelograms can actually be further classified into special parallelograms. In this case, please do watch the next video about classifying quadrilaterals part 2. If you have any questions, kindly send me a message in my email. Thank you for watching.